Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix buy credits a button is missing on Rocket League. So this one, if you're having the problem that you don't see this button, in this video, I will show a couple of solutions that it should fix basically the problem. So first, what you need to do here is to quit the game. And then you need to just go to Epic Games Launcher. And once you're here, then press on your profile here and go to account. Right? And once you are on account, then I will show you what you need to do here next. On your account information, make sure to first go to password and security and disable two-factor authentication. So it may cause the problem, and look if buy button is there or not. And if the problem persists, then I highly advise you to go to parental controls also and basically disable parental controls, and then look if the problem persists or not. And the last thing that you can do here, sometimes cause the problem, is Steam overlay. So what you need to do here, you need to go to Steam, you need to go to on the top left corner, it should be Steam, then go to settings, go to in-game and make sure to enable the Steam overlay in-game, right? And press OK. And once you do that, then if you basically play Rocket League on Steam, then what you need to do here is to right click on it, go to properties and verify integrity of the game files of the Rocket League. And if you're playing in Epic Games, what you need to do here is go to Epic Games and then right click on, go to library, right click on Rocket League, go to manage and verify game files here, and it should fix the problem, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.